Welcome to Tablet Guide. Today we're going to be reviewing Huion's recently released H420X graphics tablet, one of three and the smallest of their new Inspiroy Creative Pen tablet range, celebrating their 10th anniversary. Opening up the brightly designed box is the tablet. And inside the bag of goodies is where you'll find the pen, USB-C to USB-A cable, USB adapter, spare pen nibs and nib clip, and the quick start guide. The pen is nice and light. It's Huion's PW100 model. It's battery free, supports 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, and only needs to be 10mm away from the tablet surface to be registered. The tablet is black, made of plastic, and weighs only 105 grams. Its actual work area is 4.17 inches by 2.6 inches, designated by the four golden coloured chevrons with the Huion logo on the right. And just to show you how small this tablet is, here it is compared to a vitamin tablet. Oh, ran the wrong way. There you go. Here's some more in-depth information for you technically savvy artists out there. Once you've installed the software, it's a simple case of plugging in the USB plug into the tablet and the USB-A into your laptop or PC. After testing and reviewing, using and enjoying the larger two models in this range, I was interested in seeing how something this small functions. I realise I'm probably not the target audience for this tablet, but I can see it being perfect for kids as their first tablet. Even though this tablet has a narrowed palm rest, I did find my hand resting on the bottom right corner of the tablet mostly while drawing. For the sake of this review it was fine, but I don't think it would be that comfortable to use for months on end. Again, this tablet isn't really targeted for me, but that said, I was able to quickly produce some illustration work. Rotating the tablet and drawing on an Android device felt more comfortable with my hand resting alongside its longer edge. As with the other tablets in this range, it does have a nice feel to it as the pen glides over the surface. Lines produced on the screen had a nice tapered look to them, and the pressure sensitivity worked perfectly. Depending on how you like to draw, light or heavy-handed, you can adjust the pen sensitivity in the driver software. Note that the H420X doesn't come with a pen holder, so you need to be careful this doesn't roll off your desk when not in use. The driver software is simple and straightforward to navigate through. In addition to configuring the pen buttons and pressure, there's a small box for you to scribble on as you test while you adjust the sensitivity. It's here you can map the tablet to your device's screen, check for software updates, link through to Huion's website, back up your settings, etc. You can even change the colour of the UI. All in all, this is a solid little tablet, but I'm not sure it's one I'd like to work with on my day-to-day routine. But I can see this being perfect for use in the classroom and in the office for short periods, or for those on a tight budget. Well, unfortunately, we've come to the end of another review. Don't forget to leave any comments below, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Oh, and happy birthday, Huion.